Oh, forgot to bring that in there. What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of, I guess this will be like a Sunday sermon slash 2 minute drill on a Monday, whatever. Today's the 26th, guys. This is the Christmas holiday of the markets. I hope everybody had an amazing weekend, got to spend it with their family, got all the presents they wanted, or got everyone all the presents that they wanted. But now we're back. Last week of the year, what happened? Well, before last week, I wasn't really keen on a Santa rally. Now I kind of am, and here's why. Okay, if we take a zoom in here, what do we notice here? What do we notice? Anytime we got below 380, what happened? Straight up jumped right on out of that zone, closed above 380. Okay, right? Every single candle that dropped down closed above 380. So what does that tell me? The market does not want to go below 380. There's a ton of demand out there. So what likely happens? It's likely we go up. Why else? Is there another reason why I think we likely go up? If you look at the economic data, it's about as bare minimum as we've ever had it on this week. Guys, this is a short week, 4 days trading. Everybody and their mom is still out of town, out of the house, not in the office, not doing anything. Market participation, I still fully anticipate to be very low still. So this whole week, I don't see anything. The only thing I'll be looking at tomorrow is just the home price index comes out 9 a.m., 30 minutes before market open. Pending home sales the next day. Jobless claims Thursday, Chicago PMI Friday. I mean, it's really is nothing going on. Okay. But this is what I have noticed. Every time we have bounced out of this 380 zone, there is a ton of demand there, right? Just taking a peek. We are super far stretched from our MA still. I wholeheartedly believe still. We broke down from the 20 MA and we never went back to retest it. Now, this is on its way back down. Finally had the 5 cross to 50. My overall macro view of the market is still, it's very likely we have more downside. But I think this week could be a week where we pop up more than likely. Look at this huge candle here, right? Everything is pointing up. Where do we go? I'm looking at 388 is the 50 MA here, all the way to 390. Now, 390 is a huge level. That's where we broke down from, right? Take a zoom out. Just look at this 390 level. We had it and we touched it multiple times, right? And now we finally broke below it. We never came back up and tested it again. I think that's where we could get this 20 MA, this 100-day MA, right? That 21 EMA is a red line here. It could all kind of converge into this area here at 390 and have a kind of almost a perfect resistance area where we could go and fade that level at 390. Max you'd probably want to see is probably up to this gap fill here. You guys see the small little gap on SPY here, all the way up to about 396. Okay, that's a possibility. Now, it's a low volume week. Is there a melt up in order? Possibly. Is there a Santa rally in order? It's very possible. It usually happens on the last 4 trading days of the years and about 2 days into the new year. So it is very possible that this plays out for us. Everybody and their mom's been hoping for it. So let's see. I also looking on this 4-hour chart. Excuse me, I was looking at the 1-hour chart, pardon me, before I hopped on with you guys here, and I'm noticing, what is that? There's a ton, hold on. There's a ton of consolidation in this area. All these red dots here on this TTM squeeze shows an area of consolidation. Think about it like it's like a springboard. Every red dot there is, it just continues and continues to get tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And when one of these dots finally click green right here, think about the springboard, right? It's contracting, right? And then it expands back up. It's going to shoot up, right? And it could possibly shoot us back up to where we had this area of 388, which was a big resistance level, and above there was 390, right? That was a huge breakdown level. Okay, and then 393 above there. So my plan for this week is possibly have a very nice back test of the 20 MA, wherever that might be, right? Wherever that might be. We'll have to see where we open up tomorrow. I would think maybe 2 points lower, about 391 possibly. Might take us a couple days to get up there. And at this area, we're looking at this between 388 and 393. It's a big level, but you'll just want to see where all these MAs go to. Okay, and we'll see. Look, if we're at 390, we know that's a huge, huge, huge resistance. If we fail that level hard, that could be a nice opportunity for some put swings in through I would say February or March, because we have earning seasons now coming up as well. And we're going into another quarter with another set of earnings where it's most expensive to run a business. It's most expensive to borrow money. It's most contracting for, us consumers in our economy right now. So usually you'll see it in the earnings reports of these big businesses more than likely. So let's see. Right, but this week, guys, super light, just like last week. Really only trading A+ setups, not trying to stare at the screen all day long. Market participation will be low. No huge expectations. It's be good to take a lot of time away from the screen, even in through last week into this week. It'd be good to reframe your mindset, spend some time away, take that vacation, get away from the screens. The market's always gonna fucking be there. Every day we wake up, it's gonna be open at the same time. It ain't going nowhere. Okay. So it's okay to take some time off, spend it with your loved ones, get away from the screens, right? My eyes feel so much better after last week, not having to look at every single tick on ES. Okay. I'm planning on doing that this week. I'm planning on possibly taking a back test of, if we can get down here, would be great. Wherever this 5MA opens up, 382. I think SPY closed 383. So if we get a little dip in the morning, could be a nice possibility to take maybe a Friday or the following Friday call swing up to 388. Then 390, and if 393 comes above that, but I'd be looking to probably be completely out by 390. So that's my plan for next week. Okay. Dip, pie the dip as long as above 380, 381, and let's see if we can ride that motherfucker all the way up to 380, 390. Excuse me, 388, then 390 after that. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you guys. Keep it super simple, super short, simple, sweet, super to the point, and of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.